Welcome to my Ethereum update. I'm going to start this one off on the higher time frame ETH Bitcoin chart because I think this is basically where the war is going to be won or lost. From my point of view, we are trading inside of the last potential level for any sort of bounce. This is basically like a launch pad. Like once we actually start to move, all the liquidations here are just going to potentially let us explode to the upside. We haven't started any significant move so far, so I am right now hoping and wishing. So we have not seen any triggers, but this might be the level from where we finally take off. The bias should probably be long, but we haven't seen any triggers. Now, if we go on the ETH USDT chart, we're going to start on the monthly as well. We can see number one, we have a level that has shown us some significance in the past. Initial wick here, another reaction here, reaction. So there's 4 reactions that I'm seeing on the chart, and we might be in the process of retesting this level. So equal lows down here. We have taken the high in December, and we have seen a downtrend ever since. It only makes sense for us to take out the lows here, the equal lows down here. We do, however, have a monthly level, and if we again manage to close above this level, we have 1 day and 12 hours left. This would be pretty bullish to me. Like usually when people see equal lows, they always assume that, okay, the next thing that's going to happen is these lows are going to get taken. When in reality, we could easily do something like this next, like basically end the bull market and then take out the lows later. This is also what we did on Bitcoin in 2020, I think, maybe 2021. Yes, we do have equal lows, but it's not a given that we're going to take them now, right? This could also be the liquidity build up that we are going to take when the next bear market starts, if it hasn't started. But still, it does make sense for us to, like after taking the high, this would absolutely make sense for us to test the level. Now I have this level as a line, but you could also just use this as a general box, basically. A way bigger level now. As you can see, there's like candle closes here, candle opened here, reaction. So anything between 230 or 2300 and 2050 is sort of my high time frame level that I want to see hold. And we have the monthly fair value gap as well that might see a visit next. So on the higher time frame, this is looking like we are due for a bounce, but I'm not certain if we're going to take the lows or if we're just going to basically bounce from here. If we then go on the daily, I would say the daily, if I had my lipstick here, the daily definitely supports a move to the monthly fair value gap here. This is, to be honest, this is like a picture perfect market maker sell model. We've seen the liquidity grab, we've seen the market structure break, and ever since, like all the bearish point of interest have given us the reaction that we needed in order to get short, which I missed, which is a pity now that we're almost at the target. But it's a reality. Like I didn't see this when it happened. I was always looking for a move higher, and yeah, sometimes that's just the way of the life of a trader. You at one point you wake up and you're like, okay, wow, I didn't see this, and in hindsight, it's so obvious. So daily fair value gap, tagged it, sell off. Daily fair value gap, tagged it, sell off. And now this is the setup that I'm currently looking for. We have two bearish daily fair value gaps that haven't seen that might need a visit before we finally take the low. So either looking for shorts here, might also look for shorts here, and look for a long here. Like right now, it's pretty hard for me to long down here because I don't really know what the invalidation should be. I kind of do like this level here, which is also the orange line here, in confluence with the 618 FIP level, daily fair value gap. So I could see this play out, but as long as I don't have a trigger, there's no setup. Now, one thing that might actually make me flip bullish is a five wave move up from here. So it really like a big impulse, and then I'm absolutely going to look for a retrace and for a long. So if we now manage to get above, what is it, 3,400 on an impulse, then the next pullback would be an absolute dream for me to look for longs. Either a sweep and a move down below 2K, or a convincing move above 3,440 would be my long. And like any bearish setup inside of this daily fair value gap, inside of this daily fair value gap, would be a short down into this bearish high time frame point of interest. Check out my links in the description. I have a Discord. I also offer mentorship. So if that's something that would be interesting for you, then yeah, check out the stuff in the bio, and like, follow, subscribe, all the good stuff. I am very grateful for all the support. Talk to you guys in the next video.